How long does it typically take to repair smoke damage in a home?
It's a variety because it depends on how big your loss is. So, if it's a total fire damage to the entire house, it can actually take anywhere from 10 months to a year because it involves all of the process and procedures from the insurance company, a permit process, and the rebuilding process. So, it could take up to a year on a smaller claim than just a couple of months.
Are fire restoration services typically included in home insurance?
It is usually included in home insurance, but again, it depends on the policyholder's insurance, what the coverage is. Do they have coverage? So really, I would refer back to the insured, the claimant, to make sure to discuss the policy coverage with their insurance company.
How do restoration companies estimate repairs for insurance claims?
Once we receive notification that our insured had a loss, we contact them immediately to set up a site inspection. And we do the scope and we use what's called an Xactimate program. And it's a fair market rating program that gives the estimate to help us. And we utilize DocuSketch the house out. It's a two-in-one type of system that we need to get the final estimate provided.
What qualifications should you look for in a restoration professional?
You could utilize your insurance company for referrals, but then also to research and Google high referred companies for trustability, customer service. Definitely do your homework with that. And a good source is the insurance company.
Can you live in your home during the restoration process?
Depending on how much damage your loss is, some repairs can be livable and some are not habitable, depending on the loss.
How do restoration companies coordinate with insurance adjusters?
Well, but being in the network, we already have that communication. We know the steps, the guidelines. So once we communicate within our systems, we do everything, uploading everything with the Xactimate estimate and the DocuSketch and photos. And then we have the backlog administrative system that we use to communicate and also have the rapport and the relationships with the carriers and our office as well.